Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. This is LagoFam SRT. My name's Gianni. I'm back here with another video. Today we're going to be installing another carbon fiber part. It's the mid spoiler wing. I was going to say mid muffler delete, luckily caught myself, but the mid muffler, no, see now I did it. It's the mid spoiler wing from Black Ops. It's another piece. I have a couple of other pieces coming. They're slowly coming here and there. COVID slowed everything down, so you know I'm slowly getting pieces here and there. The car is looking pretty damn filthy. If you look at it, look, it's like it's dirty, it's disgusting. I tried to get a wash this weekend. I go to a detailing place to get my car done. I don't go to the car wash because they scratch the shit out of your car. So I normally go to a detailing place. They were packed up this weekend, so I couldn't unfortunately go, but I'm gonna do it Queen style. I got a water bottle, I got some soap, I got my rags. And an assistant, that's right, and an assistant. I'm gonna be cleaning the back of the car, show you how it's done. I'm gonna apply the wing today. I'm excited, man, so let's get into the video. Let's go. All right, guys, so we're gonna clean the back part. So the wing is gonna go right here on this, like, I don't know if you can see it. Can you see it? It's like a line right here that it kind of like pivots like this way.
Yeah.
Can you see it?
Yeah.
So this is right here where the wing's gonna sit.
This will
So I got my water bottle. Gonna spray it down really quick. This is Queen style. This is how we do it, you know? We do what we gotta do.
I've never seen you hand wash a car before.
You've never seen me hand wash a car. Well, this is the first time.
No, you usually go to Waterworks out in Long Island?
Yeah, out in Long Island. That's a good shop.
Mm-hmm.
If you live in New York, you're looking for a good detailing place, hit up Waterworks in Long Island. They're like in Lynbrook. Yo, they do such a good job on your car.
Wash.
Hand wash. They use all the good products, the Adams polish, all that stuff.
Mm-hmm.
It's good stuff. So here we go. So here I got some soap, got some water. Just gonna throw it on here, just like that. Just gonna soap this down. You can see the soap. There we go. Get the soap all across. Make sure we got no contamination, no debris, nothing like that. Then we're gonna spray some more water on this bad boy. Just kind of wipe it down.
So why is this step important?
Stuff's important because you don't want anything like any debris or any dust or anything on here. That's kind of like not hold it from like holding the wing, like properly getting the wing on there.
Oh, okay.
So we're wiping it down real quick. Do one more. So this is just the water. Make sure we get all the soap off. Yeah, I need to get a car wash though. For real.
Yeah, being in the garage like for weeks, it's definitely, you can see it. Good.
Let me dry it off a little more. Get on the dry side. Action. Alright, so here we go. We're drying it off with another cloth towel. It's nice and dry now. Nice and dry, nice and clean. That's the cleanest part of the vehicle.
Yeah. Look at the difference. Clean, not clean.
What a difference. It's a big difference. This is my first time looking at it. Let's take it out of the packaging. Yeah, this is really taped up pretty well.
It's like triple layers. Ooh, carbon fiber. When did this arrive to our house?
I've definitely had it for a little while. It's been about a week or two.
Carefully tell me nothing about the car. Come on, babe.
There you go. Slide it out. Ooh.
Ooh, what's
Look at that.
That's
Ooh,
nice.
that looks really nice. It's got the 3M tape on the inside. Ooh, that looks nice. So let's see how it's gonna look.
That is really nice. Hey!
Alright, so this should sit right there, perfect.
Oh yeah, okay. That's nice. So it's just a tape that sticks on?
Yeah, so basically, oh, so you see how it kind of like has like a little dip? So it kind of goes right over the dip too, so it's right, should be like right under the glass. And right there. right?
So now the hard part is lining it up.
So there's going to be a little gap, I think. That's what it says. But that looks
Between
pretty,
the window?
That looks
Looks
pretty good, though.
perfect right there.
Perfect.
Yeah. All right. Let's get to it.
Let's get to it.
Okay.
All right, guys, so I'm going to go through the steps with you. When you do buy the wing, it comes with this 3M Primer 94 pen. So what you got to do is you got to crush it right here on this dot. You see this dot right here? You're going to crush it. And then primer is going to come out. You're going to put it on the back. Basically, it's going to be like this. So basically, once you crush the pen, you're going to be wiping all this primer all over here, all over here, all over where the wing's going to be installed. Here's the primer pen. I'm going to peel it off right here. It comes with instructions. I already read them. So here we go. Let me clean this off a little bit. It's good to go. Let me crush it. All right, you heard the crack? Cracked. Now let's prime this bad boy. Alright guys, so we got the wing on. There we go. Carbon fiber from Black Ops Auto Works. Check that out. Ooh, that looks good. Unfortunately, we put the primer on, I think, a little too early. We should have got the tape off first and then put the primer and then put this on. But honestly, I'm pretty sure it's fine. Honestly, we've been holding it here for like a minute. Honestly, it looks amazing. Oh, that looks so good. What do you think? Looks good?
I love it.
It's a nice little touch, right?
And it's carbon fiber too, which is nice for like the front to kind of go tie it all together.
It's perfect.
It's nice.
Yeah, it's a nice little touch.
Bada bing.
So I kind of want to get you guys' opinion. So Black Ops also makes a whole OEM replacement of where the brake light is. Basically, you just transfer the brake light to the other piece, so it's a full like top wing. So honestly, this will just come off. It'll be a full carbon fiber wing. I'm thinking I'm gonna go that route, but I also saw Sirona Design has their own carbon fiber. I believe it's just like a trim piece that kind of comes over here, maybe goes like over here. I haven't seen it in person yet. I haven't really seen it in pictures. I mean, actually, I only saw it in pictures, but I haven't seen it in person, or I haven't seen anybody like on Instagram post one. So I've only seen it on their website, but I believe it just covers this top part. So let me know what you guys think. Honestly, I think I'm gonna go the Black Ops route and just have the total, replacement of carbon fiber, just so it kind of matches the wing a lot better. I know it's gonna be the same carbon fiber detail that's on the wing. It'll look the same. So I'm pretty much leaning that way. But otherwise, so yeah, right now I got the mid spoiler. I got the Demon hood, which, you know, excuse its appearance, it's pretty damn dirty. But yeah, this thing is filthy, man. I need a car wash so bad. Look at this, just from being in a garage. All right, guys, so that's the video. I installed the mid spoiler on the SRT. You see the carbon fiber from Black Ops. Honestly, it came out amazing. Hopefully the install helped you out. The instructions are there. I mean, it's pretty simple. Just basically wash the back where you're gonna install it. It comes with a little primer pen. Just crack it. You put the primer on there, then you take off the 3M tape and you stick the spoiler on. It's pretty much that simple. Just have somebody help you. That way it kind of lines up. But I believe we did such a great job. It literally lined up perfect. Doesn't seem like it's coming off. Even put a little pressure on it. So honestly, it's looking good. And yeah, that's pretty much this video. So until the next one. Oh, and I just want to give an update. So May 1st is when my car is going to be going into TNA Motorsports, the performance shop I'll be using to start the build on my SRT. So stay tuned for that. If you're new here, please hit that subscribe button. If you like the video, hit the like button. And honestly, if you're ready to go through this build with me, you better hit that post notifications. That way you can be up to date on all my videos. Honestly, thank you guys for watching the video. Stay tuned. Till the next one. Peace.